All the Tibetan Buddhism schools are the flawless teachings of the enlightened ones, and all practice the 3X lenses. When we practice the excellent preparation of bodhichitta, including both the relative and ultimate state of awakened mind, when we practice the main part of development stage and completion stage, free from concepts, and when we conclude with dedicating the merit and making aspiration for the welfare of others, we are combining all the teachings of Sutra and Tantra. These 3X lenses are thus extremely important. Any practice we do while possessing the 3X lenses is always correct, while any practice we do while lacking them is never really perfect. We should always remember to embrace our practice with these 3X lenses, no matter how tiny or insignificant a deed may be.